Hello and welcome to the week ahead video. Quite a few things to brief you on ahead of the next 5 sessions of trade. In the UK on Wednesday we see the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney presenting the Bank of England economists' latest forecasts for the domestic economy. At present, expectations are for the Bank of England to raise their growth forecasts, bring down their inflation forecasts and bring forward their expectations for when the jobless rate in the UK breaks 7.0% to the downside, which is the threshold that they have cited as when they could consider raising interest rates in the UK from their historic low levels of 0.5%. So this all is pretty critical in terms of how we are perceiving the UK asset classes. At present, the markets are pricing in a rate hike from the Bank of England as soon as 2015, well ahead of the Bank of England's forecast of 2016. So we'll see how that pans out as we go through on Wednesday. And then over in the US, the Fed chairman proposed nominee Janet Yellen is scheduled to be speaking in front of the Senate Banking Committee, so we'll see what sort of tone she strikes on Thursday. And then over in the Far East, we have the third plenary session of the Chinese Communist Party, where they are expected to unveil some pretty crucial reforms in regards to market liberalisation, in regards to both interest rates and particularly the domestic yuan currency, which is currently pegged at just above 6 per dollar. So we'll see how that pans out as the session concludes on Tuesday. As yet, we've seen little in the way of major announcements, but they are expected to shift their focus towards domestic investments and grassroots growth, as opposed to huge state subsidies and market intervention. So that's due to conclude on Tuesday, but over on the US side of things, it does get slightly more quiet after that much better than expected non-farm payrolls figure we saw last Friday. But the earnings season does continue. We have Walmart being the key release this week, the bellwether for some of the US retailers. So of course we'll bring you all those releases as soon as it hits the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a fantastic week.